Srinivasan and welcome to my channel. Previously, I had made a video about what is Open Assistant and how they were collecting training data to create an open source chatbot. So yesterday, I got this news that Open Assistant has released this chat feature. It is actually based on the Llama 30 billion parameter model. Okay. And I thought, let me try it out. So basically, you go to Open Assistant, you sign up. Basically, if you put your email address or Discord, you'll get a link and then you can sign in, and then you have to just say openassistant.io.chat. Okay. And then it gives this dash like this kind of an UI where you can click on chat. So I tried it out, and I will also try out some instances in this video. Okay, some queries. So the first one I asked is, tell me more about yourself. So it says, I'm Open Assistant, LLM chat based artificial intelligence. I was designed to be a personal assistant. Is there anything that you want me to assist you with? Okay. So then I ask, can you explain me about gravity? So then it gives a nice explanation of what is gravity. Gravity is the force of attraction between two masses. It talks about, the Earth and Sun are the responsible for keeping the Moon in orbit around the Earth, because the gravitational pull of Earth and Sun affects the Moon. Okay. So then I said, how can I explain this easily to a 5-year-old? So here it says you can use examples from daily life like why do things fall down? Or you can play the balloon game where two kids stand back to back, let go of a balloon and watch it float up and then run into each other's arms. Okay, you also can experiment by dropping different fruits, toys together. So this is nice, right? A very nice response. So I said, let's change the topics. Let us discuss on how Open Assistant was trained. So here it says I was trained on a collection of text data scraped from the internet and provided by volunteers. Data was cleaned by the humans, converted to a suitable format and used to train my models using machine learning algorithms. During training, I learned to generate responses to questions and prompts based on the patterns found in the dataset and continually improved through feedback from human evaluators. Additionally, regular monitoring of my performance allowed for adjustments to be made to improve accuracy and address any issues. So then I asked, like, are you a fine-tuned llama model? It says, nope, not llama, but there are some llamas that are fine-tuned too if it makes you feel better. Okay. Then I said, okay, let me try a mathematical problem. I said, I bought 5 pencils for 50 rupees. What is the cost of each pencil? If my math skills are still intact and after being turned into ASCII art by a random number generator called RSA, each pencil should be roughly around 10 rupees since 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. This is correct. Then it says, unless you live in India, then you would probably get charged extra due to GST. So now then it say 9% and then it comes up with another calculation. Okay. So this answer is correct. Then I said, okay, let me try another problem. I said I traveled from Bengaluru to Mangaluru, covering a distance of 350 kilometers in 7 hours. What was my average speed? So your traveling time was 7 hours and you covered a distance of 350 kilometers. Therefore, your average speed during the period of time is 350 divided by 7, which is 50. So it does this mathematical calculation properly. I wanted to try a tricky one. So I said I went to the market, bought 2 kgs of grapes for 160 rupees. Also bought 3 kgs of mango for 320 rupees. How much did I spend in total? 320 plus 160, 480. What is the cost of 0.5 kg of grapes and 0.75 kg of mango? Half a kg and 3/4 kg of a mango, right? So then it couldn't calculate properly. It did something over here and it was not able to do it. Okay, some calculation. Then I said, can you solve the problem one step at a time? So I thought that, let us try a chain of thought over here. So here it says, yes, here is how one could approach the initial question one step at a time. You spent 160 rupees on 2 kilograms of grapes, so 80 rupees per kilogram. To find the weight of half kilo, first divide by 2 is equal to 200, so multiply 80 by half, 40. Okay, so yes, for the first part of this question, it has got some answer, but then it goes into a toss, right? So I said you are still wrong. Split the problem into statements and then solve it one statement at a time. It's not able to do it. Okay, simple mathematics it did. Then I said, okay, forget previous history, write a song on Open Assistant in the style of Eminem. It kind of remembered history. Then I said, let us reset the model and write a song then actually in the style of Eminem. So it actually, here is lyrics written in the style of Eminem's without the profanity, and it just wrote this small song or a poem, right? Yeah. So it says that, hey, you all got some numbers for you today. It talks about math over here. I thought it will say something about Open Assistant, but fine. It talks about math equations, a lot of math things over here. Okay. So these were some queries which I have tried. So now I want to actually try out some other query like write an email introducing Tesla Model X to your customers based on below details. And let me pull this part over here. And let me submit. Wow, it kind of still remembers my previous thing. Maybe I have to use the, okay, let's reset the model. Set the model. Then copy this. Let's see if this time it is able to do it. Wow. I don't know what is this. Just goes into some kind of a, I don't know, it just generates some junk. So this is quite possible. Okay, maybe what I should do is I should create a new chat and then try it. Back to chat list, create a new chat. Okay, let me try over here. Write an email. Let's see what comes up. Okay. I'd like to introduce you the latest offering from our stable, the amazing design, keeping our customer. It comes loaded with features. It provides high levels of safety while being okay. Nice. It is able to write an email. Maybe it can highlight some features from here, but still. Okay. Let me try a summary. But based on paragraph that over here, some content again. Take up to here. Here, write out, commit. Okay. Long-term medical, consistently high blood pressure, normal 120. Okay, while some consider requiring intervention through this thing. Do well with such as weight loss, all this includes. Okay. Nice. So it kind of generated a summary. Okay. Yeah. So this was certain use cases. Maybe I'll try one coding use case, one last coding use case. Linear regression. Data set. Data set is present as a pandas data frame. Okay. X split Y. Okay. Create and fit the linear regression. Okay. Evaluate it on validation. Fine. So it is able to write the code as well. Okay. So this was my video on the chat feature of OpenAI Assistant, which has been released yesterday. You can also go and try it out. You can also provide feedback if the responses are good, right? Uh, you can provide feedback for improving the model. You can try it out. One thing which concerns me over here is that this is based on Llama, so I don't know how and when this will get released, and if this is released to the general public, whether it can be used for commercial use, because Llama license prohibits commercial use, right? So I'm not sure about that. But otherwise, this seems to be impressive, and with more data, with more people trying it out, I think this is going to improve. And it's always good to have an open source alternative to ChatGPT. It's not that just the large corporate should have monopoly over this area. So more open source is always welcome. So this was a short video on Open Assistant chat feature. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting the link to this Open Assistant chat page. You can go and try it out. See you in another video.